Hello guys, welcome to Suprema Steno classes. Today I am going to provide you a dictation of general matter which is very important for who are preparing for ESIC, SSC, BARC and other skill examination. So be ready guys. 5 seconds. Start. The idea of economic Swadeshi emerged by the second half of the 19th century, thanks to the writing of R.C. Dutt, Dadabhai Naroji, and M.G. Ranade. The new Western educated middle class was well aware of the colonial economic exploitation. Gopal Hari Deshmukh was one of the first to advocate economic Swadeshi in 1849, but the credit for translating it to call to action goes to the college faction of the Arya Samajists in Punjab. A group of middle class Western educated Punjabis. Prominent among them are Lala Lajpat Rai, Lala Hari Kishan Lal, and Sir Dayal Singh Majithia came together to found the Punjab National Bank 1894. This was the first major Indian owned bank. Lala Harikishan Lal, who soon emerged as the moving force behind this venture, went on to found a series of joint stock companies. These included insurance firms. Bharat Insurance was the first major Indian owned insurance company. Flour mills, a spinning and weaving mill, a cotton press company, an oil pressing and a timber works concern, a match factory, soft factories, brick kilns, sawmills, ice factories, etc. A Bombay, a Parsi lawyer, Ardesh Sir Burjoriji Sorabji Godrej 1868 to 1936 came to realize the importance of indigenous manufacturing. After failing in a series of ventures, he tasted business success with mechanized locks and founded Godrej and Bios in 1897. Acharya Prafula Chandra Rai 1861 to 1944, a pioneering chemist, founder of Bengal Chemicals, India's first pharmaceuticals company, and a devoted nationalist, spent his entire life and life's savings in promoting education and scientific research and in advocating knowledge based industries to address India's poverty. For people like him, entrepreneurship based on scientific knowledge was an inevitable step towards nation building. In Bengal, at least since 1867, when some members of the Tagore family helped Nabagopal Mitra to organize a fair to promote Swadeshi enterprises, there had been regular calls for self-reliance or Atma Shakti, including promotion of education, particularly technical education, the boycott of foreign goods, and indigenous production and distribution. Two families took lead in this. First, the Roy family of Bhagyakul, who developed a flourishing trade in rice and jute, and were the chief organizers of the Bengal National Chamber of Commerce 1887. Second, the Tagore family, especially Jyotirindranath, launched a major venture in 1884 with his inland river steam navigation service. Even Bengal Chemicals 1892 preceded the Swadeshi movement, though it received a massive boost during the Swadeshi days. The announcement of the partition Bengal unleashed a surge of nationalism and rekindled the Bengali entrepreneurial spirit. Members of the Tagore family, including Rabindranath, Satish Chandra Mukherjee's Down Society, and many others, were regularly organizing Swadeshi fairs, setting up shops to sell Swadeshi goods. Rabindranath's Swadeshi Bhandar in 1897, Jogesh Chandra Chatterjee Indian stores in 1901, Sarla Devi's Lakshmi Bhandar in 1903, and working for the revival of the traditional crafts. Landlords and professionals came together to found the short-lived Bengal National Bank 1908. Calcutta was also show a aspect of insurance ventures, especially the National Insurance Company 1906 and the famous Hindustan Cooperative Insurance 1907. British dominance of shipping lines was a matter of deep discontent, especially in riverine East Bengal. Despite the collapse of Jyotirindranath's venture, Swadeshi days saw renewed interest in launching shipping ventures, but they were unable to withstand brutal war unleashed by the English shipping lines, whereas many as 20 Indian shipping companies failed between 1905 and 1930. Bengal's leading landlords, businessmen, and political leaders came together to launch the most high profile Bengal Lakshmi cotton mill 1906. Swadeshi venture 2 years later, Mohini Mohan Chakrabarti, landlord and retired deputy magistrate, launched a smaller Mohini mill in East Bengal. Both did well and successfully challenged the monopoly of the only British cotton mill in Bengal. The biggest beneficiary of the boycott of Manchester clothes turned out to be Bombay and Ahmedabad, where 39 mills come up between 1904 and 1910 to cater to Swadeshi demands. The real achievements of Bengali Swadeshi entrepreneurs was to venture into new industries based on their technical knowledge, manufacturing in a number of household products, medicines, and basic acids. PC Rai's Bengal Chemicals showed the way. This example was followed by Calcutta Chemicals and a number of manufacturers of Ayurvedic and or allopathic drugs, cosmetics, and chemical products. Chrome tanning, National Tannery, Utkal Tannery, production of glazed potteries, Calcutta and Bengal potteries, electric lamps, Bengal lamp, safety matches, Oriental and Bande Matram match factories, and a number of consume items attracted their interests, giving expressions to the new nationalist. Stop. ये मैटर था जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा मैटर था. सॉरी गाइज, मैंने एक जगह गलत पढ़ दिया है. वहाँ पे था इन बॉम्बे अ पारसी लॉयर, और एक जगह जो इनका नाम था ज्योतिरिंद्रनाथ. तो इसको थोड़ा सा देख लीजिएगा आप. ये 2 जगह मैंने गलत पढ़ा है, बाकी सब सही है. और यदि आप इस तरीके के कंटेंट को पसंद कर रहे हैं तो चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. यदि आपको कोई क्यूरीज है इसके रिगार्डिंग और कोई सजेशंस यदि आप प्रोवाइड करना चाहते हैं तो, बिकॉज आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने के लिए काफ़ी मेहनत करना पड़ता है। अच्छे अच्छे डिक्टेशन को प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपकी प्रोफिशिएंसी जो है बढ़े और आप जो है अपनी कॉम्पिटेंसी को बढ़ा सकें स्किल लेवल एग्जामिनेशन, स्किल के एग्ज़ाम्स में। ओके, सो थैंक यू।